Hi friends, welcome back to channel SciTech. In this I'm going to do the review of the Realme GT Neo 2 after using close to 48 hours of usage. Yes friends, it's been 48 hours of intense kind of usage. If you watch my previous videos, you'll definitely understand how intense I'm trying to use the device. And in this video, I'm going to conclude the initial impressions about this device. Is it worth it to spend the money on the Realme GT Neo 2, or is there any kind of alternate options available? That's what I'm going to exactly discuss in this video. So make sure to let me know in the comment section below friends how you feel about my videos for the past few days which I'm trying to upload on the Realme GT Neo 2. What can be improved? So let me know in the comment section below as well. And this is the video which I'm trying to record using the Realme GT Neo 2. Yes, this is a front cam clarity. I thought of recording just to give a clear idea what is going on with the device. So before starting the video friends, I just want to mention few things. For example, so what are the issues I did mention in this video? So those issues will be related to the software of this Realme GT Neo 2. The hardware is really good, no problem with the hardware, but only the software optimization is the one which requires in this device to make this phone perfect beast. So right now our phone has come with the Realme UI 2.0. So if the phone has come with the Realme UI 3.0, I may be able to know what is happening, but maybe there is a chance that few issues may get fixed with the next updates as well, but I cannot guarantee, but maybe that's what I'm expecting. Little bit kind of hope is there in that Realme. So first let's start with a basic thing. What is my experience using this device for the first 48 hours in terms of the performance segment? So in terms of the performance segment, the phone has got the Snapdragon 870 chipset and LPDDR4X RAM type. It's kind of really confusing because few users they did mention 5 RAM type and few 4X RAM type, and if you find few of the Chinese websites they did mention 4X RAM type. So I think the Realme GT Neo 2 has got 4X RAM type in this device, and even though it has got 4X RAM type, there's nothing wrong in this phone. Everything is pretty smooth and very fluent, no problem in terms of the Snapdragon 870 chipset. And Antutu benchmark is OMG, like it's highest always. Always it used to be 7,20,000, 7,19,000, 7,24,000. It's really good, no issues much. Regarding even the CPU throttling, also nothing much happening. CPU throttling, as you can see, it's very consistent level of CPU throttling. 92% of throttling is detected. So in terms of the performance segment, no problem, no doubts at all. This kind of really good. But if you compare with the other Snapdragon 870, in terms of the Snapdragon 870, the iQOO 7 will be on the top, and next position definitely I can give for this Realme GT Neo 2 in terms of the next position, and third will be the Mi 11X device. This is my order of placing these mobile phones how I place. So the Mi 11X, why I did mention third, because if you use the custom ROMs Pixel or the OnePlus ROM, then you will actually experience really good potential. So only the Realme UI and the Mi UI, they are actually not optimized properly to utilize full potential of the Snapdragon 870. Anyway, there is no 90 FPS in this Snapdragon 870 till the update did not come. So RAM management needs to be improved a lot. RAM optimization which need to be improved a lot in this phone. That's what I did mention. Not only me, this comment has not come from me. This has come from few of the subscribers who did already buy the Realme GT Neo 2 and without watching my videos, and they did realize later. As you can see, the RAM management is not that great in the Realme GT Neo 2. These are the feedbacks I'm getting from the few users. And these comments are related to the Realme GT Master Edition, but few of the comments are related to the Realme GT Neo 2 as well. This is happening not only in this phone, even with other Realme phones as well. Same kind of problem is happening. That's another part which you should definitely understand. But overall, RAM optimization can be improved with the future updates. Next, regarding the display, also there's nothing much major problems with the display. There are like two things. First is regarding the touch sampling rate. In this phone, I was unable to reach that 600 Hz touch sampling rate even if you use the GT mode, even if you use the game, say space or game turbo mode, everything. Still the touch sampling rate is not increasing up to 600. It cannot go. Only I'm getting maximum 300 Hz in this device. I'm not sure why. That's another thing, kind of question mark, because in the Realme website and everywhere they did mention only 600 Hz every time when you try to check their website. You can clearly see 600 Hz. They did not mention any kind of instant touch sampling rate. They did not mention. They did mention only directly 600 Hz. So we should be getting, but we are not getting. It's kind of slightly kind of misleading at this moment, and even there is no information about the RAM type as well. That's also kind of annoying for me. I'm not sure why they did not include RAM type, which is a basic thing. And regarding the display, black color crush issue is little bit kind of visible if you're trying to watch few videos. I did upload videos as well. You can check those videos. So in this phone, regarding the display, touch sampling rate and black color crush issue, these two things are little bit a problem, little bit, but not a huge, just a little bit. Out of 10, if you ask me how much a problem, maybe 3 or 3 scale I can definitely give out of 10. So next, regarding the camera, Camera part, I'm totally disappointed, friends. I cannot see any kind of improvement in terms of the camera. No, nothing at all. Not much camera improvement. Low light photography is still the same. Front camera clarity is still the same. Same like the other Realme X7 Max, Realme GT device. Nothing much huge difference regarding the front cam clarity. Nothing, no night mode. Nothing much improved in the night mode as well. Not huge difference in the night mode shots. I cannot see any kind of low light photography that great overall. So it's kind of decent, I would say. It's kind of decent. If you compare with the iQOO 7 and the OnePlus Nord 2, it's not that good. So those two phones has got really good cameras in terms of the overall recording and everything, low light photography. But this phone doesn't reach my expectations in the camera department only. So I'm totally disappointed in two things, camera and the display. These two things I'm really disappointed in this device. A little bit. That's a little bit I'm trying to mention again. So the only reason why I'm disappointed because it's kind of totally misleading that 600 Hz I cannot get anywhere close to that. That's the reason why I'm really pissed off at them. And next thing regarding the battery and charging, battery backup also little bit I am disappointed because if you try to check the video yesterday I did upload. So this is a battery rating test, okay? So I did get the Battlegrounds mobile game. I think I did do 2 hours of gameplay test and battery dropped to 70%, 2 hours. So it means you can actually play the game for about close to 6 hours and 6.5 hours in this Realme GT Neo 2. 6 to 6.5 hours only possible non-stop gaming. So that's 5000 mAh of battery. I did expect slightly close to 7 hours and 7.5 hours, but that's not possible. Because even the 4500 mAh of battery capacity phones also can do similar kind of draining test results. That's one main concern for me. So which you should definitely note down. And next, again, the charging speed, no problem. Charging speed 36 minutes. Sometimes it takes 35 minutes and sometimes 34 minutes. So it's pretty fast. So I'm impressed with the charging speed. That's pretty good. So connectivity wise, more 5G bands and no issues with the Wi-Fi connection. It's fantastic and doesn't matter 2.4 GHz or 5 GHz. Connectivity is really good in this Realme GT Neo 2 device. And 4G plus aggregation is also really great in this device. No issues. And build quality wise, if you try to talk, except this day to leap everywhere text, everything is perfectly good. The moment they added this one, it ruined completely look of this device because of this text on the backside. Please Realme, please stop putting this kind of huge text. And I mean, so many, why to write this many times, day to leap? Can't they write just one time? It's kind of so much annoying with this phone. Few things I didn't like. And anyway, there is no 3.5mm jack, but haptic feedback is really fantastic, which is very strong. Haptic feedbacks, very good in this phone. Haptic feedbacks, that's the one biggest plus point for this device. And loudspeaker could have been better, but it's kind of okay, I would say. Loudspeaker, nothing much huge difference in the loudspeaker. And UI and software updates, UI, we do know Realme UI, there is no issues, but a little bit kind of software optimization is required. 120 Hz gameplay is not possible. We cannot play right now. With the next future updates, Realme said they will be trying to send the OTA update as well to fix it. So these are the things, friends, you should definitely understand before actually buying this device. So few things, don't expect much from. One is a camera. Camera kind of okay. Some people they did like, some people they did not like, but I'm not trying to give you more hopes on the camera. So display kind of okay, I would say. Nothing much major thing about the display. So try to keep less expectations even on the battery backup. Battery backup, if you try to use normal, no problem, you'll be able to get the screen on time kind of close to 6 hours, 6.5 hours screen on time. Same kind of I'm getting screen on time like other 4500 mAh phones. Similar kind of screen on time I'm getting. Nothing much huge difference at this segment. So that's it, friends. Thank you for watching this video. This is my complete initial impressions of the Realme GT Neo 2 after using 48 hours of time. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned for more updates. In case if you have any other queries, let me know in the comment section below. Always try to check the playlist before asking any kind of questions because I already did upload plenty of videos on this particular topic. Stay tuned, friends, for more updates. Meanwhile, signing off and bye.